Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best and iconic screen recording software, and that one is a SurFlex. How to use, where is available, and what is new for this one, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open the tab, no matter which operating system you are using. Just type here SurFlex Screen Recorder. Even I already added this link in video description. The software are supporting for Windows and Mac. By default Mac, currently I'm using by default screen recorder for Mac, but this one is really outstanding compared to by default screen recorder software in Mac. So just look at this here. SurFlex screen recorder must have screen recorder for PC and Mac, means Windows and Mac operating system. What is the new? No watermarking is this, absolutely free. But if you want purchase this software, the prices are available here. Which one affordable you can use and then use it. The software features related informations are available here, but we are not wasting time. Here screen recording options is available. Screen recorder Windows and Mac. We need to, first one is just online recorder and second one is offline. We need to download and then use it. Download point of view, I just simply download the software. It's very easy, 160 MB. After that I click here and just simply drag and drop. I already installed the software, so I just skip it this portion and just simply open here. SurFlex screen recorder software. You need to give some permission initially. So this is a software. You can record the screen like a full screen recording or some of the portion, or you want active your webcam, so you decide like a FaceTime. So here is my face is coming. So this is one of the best software. You can increase the size also like this. So size is increasing. Here the size related options are available, which size you suitable, but I go with this small size, and you can very easily drag and drop any of the location. You can close this one. Here mic related options are available. You can on off which microphone you are using. Currently I am using this one, so decide that one. And full screen, the specific screen. So look at this here, we just skip this one. So we enter the full screen. Here options are available. My voice related record webcam coming here. We can close this one. Record a screen, full screen, and just simply tab here record, and now recording is a start. Recording is ongoing currently. I am using both simultaneously to recording. I just simply stop this one, stop recording, wait couple of seconds. This is a recording hour. We can open here the recording. I store here in the desktop location. So this is a recording and we can see. So recording is ongoing currently, but currently I am using both simultaneously to recording. I just simply stop this one. So this is a process to use the software installation, record the screen, and that one is really amazing software. You can download and install the software for Windows and Mac and use this software for screen recording. That one is really amazing, and this is absolutely free. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.